Welcome to another video by Secure Cybermart. Did you know that over 4,000 data breaches occur every single day? Yeah, that's pretty mind-blowing, right? It's a crazy digital world out there, and your data is at risk. In today's video, we're diving into the crucial topic of online data safety. With everything moving online, from shopping to banking and socializing, protecting your personal information has never been more important. Stick around because I'm going to share some tips and tricks that will help you keep your data safe and sound. Let's talk about the rising threats to our online data security. Every day, hackers are getting more sophisticated, and phishing scams are becoming harder to spot. You might think, that won't happen to me, but here's the reality. Identity theft is on the rise, and it can happen to anyone. Just imagine waking up one day to find out that your bank account has been drained, or worse, your personal information is being sold on the dark web. This is why you need to be proactive. It's not about being cautious, it's about taking real steps to protect you. If you think your data is safe because you're careful, think again. Everyone is a target, and we need to be prepared. So how do we keep our data safe online? First up, let's talk about passwords. Please use strong passwords. That means a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Forget about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or password, okay? Next, enable two-factor authentication wherever you can. This is a game changer. It adds an extra layer of security, so even if someone gets your password, they still can't access your accounts without that second piece of info. Also, let's not forget public Wi-Fi. It's super convenient, but it's also a hacker's playground. If you must use it, avoid accessing sensitive information or, better yet, use a VPN to encrypt your data. Lastly, be cautious about what you share online. Think about how much personal info you're putting out there on social media. It might seem harmless, but those details can be used against you. Now, let's get real with a story. A few years ago, there was a massive data breach at a major retailer. Millions of customers had their credit card information stolen. But here's the kicker. A lot of those customers didn't even find out until they noticed unauthorized charges on their accounts. Some people lost thousands of dollars. The fallout from that breach was massive, not just for the company, but for the individuals affected. This is what happens when we neglect online security. It's not just numbers, it's people who are suffering the consequences. So, let this be a wake-up call. Your data is valuable, and you need to protect it. To wrap things up, we've covered a lot today about keeping your data safe online. Remember, using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, being cautious with public Wi-Fi, and being mindful of what you share are all essential steps you can take to protect yourself. Your personal data is important, and taking action now can save you from a lot of headaches later on. I want to hear from you. What steps are you taking to keep your data safe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this information helpful, check out the book, The Cybersecurity Bible, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.